So if I want at least 2 out of 9 questions correct, I want 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, but instead of finding all those probabilities and adding them all up, it'd be faster to find out what I don't want and do 1 minus that. So what I don't want is, if I want at least 2 right, I don't want exactly 0 right or exactly 1 right. So I'm going to find the probability of getting 0 correct and the probability of finding 1 correct. Add those up, do 1 minus that. Okay, so if I want exactly 0 questions correct, there are 9 questions. There are 9 questions and I want to choose 0 of them to be correct. There's a half a chance of being correct. I want 0 of them to do that. And there's a half a chance of being incorrect. I want all 9 of them to be that. So this just ends up being 1 over 2 to the 9th. So 1 over 5, 12. We do it again. I want exactly 1. So there are 9 questions. I want to choose 1 of them to be correct. There's a half a chance of being correct. I want 1 of those. There's a half a chance of not being correct. I want the rest of them to be those. So if there was 1 correct and I had 9 questions, that's 8 incorrect, right? So this ends up being 9 out of 5, 12. So this or that, when you find yourself saying or, you add, you got 10 out of 5, 12 chance of getting exactly 0 or 1 correct. So that's 5 out of 256, but I don't want that, so I want the complement, 1 minus that, 251 out of 256, and that is your answer. Yay!